Welcome once again. Today I'll be showing you how to make Zobo drink. So we'll be using orange, ginger and pineapple. Make sure you wash everything thoroughly and cut into pieces. See, with this recipe you can never go wrong, and your friends, your customers will always ask for more because this is a method that has been tested and trusted. So after washing everything and cutting it up, we are going to blend it and reserve some pineapple for later. So into your blender goes everything. Add a bit of water for it to blend, but if you have a powerful blender like Buchi makes, you don't need to add water. Then measure your Zobo, that is your hibiscus leaf, and rinse it thoroughly because sometimes it has dirt. Place the back of the pineapple, make sure you wash it thoroughly. Place it the first thing in the pot and then put in your Zobo. Then you'll be using cinnamon and cloves. Those are the spices that is secret to this Zobo. Then to your mix, go in with the blended orange, ginger and pineapple and boil that until it is properly cooked. After boiling, you make sure you sieve it very well. I usually sieve mine twice. First I remove all the chaff and then I use a it is softer mesh to sieve it, just to get that smooth consistency. You can use a sieve cloth for this, and after that you allow it to cool down a bit. Can you see what I'm doing? I've sieved it like 3 good times just to get that smooth thing. So that thing is like a sieve, we can hold on to it. In today's video, I'll be separating it into two. I'll be making the sweetened and the unsweetened one. It's the same process, but for the sweetened one, I'll be adding my sweetener. You can add any preservative of choice if you want it to stay longer for commercial purposes. Otherwise, you can just keep it entirely. So for the unsweetened one, it is the same process, but I won't be adding any sweetener into it, but I'll be adding my preservative and flavor as well. You can go in with any flavor of choice: vanilla, strawberry, pineapple flavor, just to enhance the taste. Then you can store it into your bottle or jar as desired. If you are going to sell this, you just pack it the same way I've done. You stick your label onto it and you are good to go. Once you add preservative, it can stay longer outside the refrigerator. Otherwise, you need to put it in the fridge if you are not going to add any preservative to it. I've been trying this recipe for a long time and it has never failed me. So for the unsweetened one, it is the same process, but if you want it to last longer, just add a bit of preservative into it and it can stay longer outside the refrigerator. You can also freeze it as well until when you are ready to use it. Then you bring it out, allow it to thaw, and you are good to go. So what do you think about this recipe? Do you think it's something you can try? Let me know in the comment section if you are willing to give this a try, and see you in my next video. Kindly like and comment. Bye.